Did you know that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? That's a shocking statistic, right? But don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to break that cycle and achieve true financial independence. Stick with me. It's tough when you feel like you're working hard but still not making any progress financially. The average professional makes $75,000 a year, but shockingly, they have less than $1,000 saved. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage it. We all know the feeling of being stuck in that active income prison, working harder and harder, but still barely getting by. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. I went from $2,000 in savings to generating $10,000 per month in passive income, and I'll walk you through the exact blueprint I used. The best part? You can get started with just $500. I was just like you. I was broke at 25, living paycheck to paycheck. But with the right knowledge, strategies, and mindset, I turned my financial situation around. And I'm here to help you do the same. If you're still stuck in the rat race, relying on one source of income, you're limiting yourself. We've all heard that old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? But for many of us, that's exactly what we're doing with our income. But today, I'm going to show you 3 income streams that 99% of people overlook, but the wealthy use religiously. If you're ready to change your financial future, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people just like you, who are ready to take control of their financial destiny. Let's dive into the first income stream, real estate. It's one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. I'll show you how to get started with little to no money down. If you've been finding this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video. You might be helping someone else who needs to hear this. You've now got the tools and the mindset to achieve financial freedom. Don't wait. Start implementing these strategies today. And remember, the key is not just working hard, but working smart. You can do this. If you're ready to take the next step, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded people striving for financial independence. Let's make 2025 the year you finally break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle.